Hey guys, welcome to Music Me Happy. My name is Tessa, and this is the first lesson in my Basics About Piano course. Today I'm going to talk to you about 3 things you need to know before you even start playing the piano. First, I'm going to show you how to sit at the piano. Second, we're going to learn how to address your fingers and shape your hands. And third, we're going to learn how to navigate around the piano. I call it keyboard geography. Let's get started. There are so many different kinds of pianos: uprights, grands, digital keyboards. Whichever kind you happen to have, when you go to sit down, always sit tall, lean slightly forward. Your knees should be a bit under the keyboard and your feet should be flat on the floor. Your right foot can be slightly forward. Let your arms hang loosely from your shoulders. Your elbows should be a little higher than the keys. Try to keep your wrists level and your fingers curved. In piano, we give each finger a number, and this is something you need to commit to memory right away. Our thumbs are our number 1 finger. Our pointers are number 2. Our middle fingers are number 3. Our ring fingers are number 4, and our pinkies are number 5. Just remember to start with the number 1 on the thumb on both hands. And of course, you need to know which is your right hand and which is your left hand. Now let's take a closer look at the piano. Notice that some keys are white and some keys are black. The black keys are going to be our landmarks, helping to organize the keyboard. First, I want you to look at how the black keys are grouped, in groups of 2 and in groups of 3. So go ahead on your piano and find all the groups of 2 black notes up and down the whole keyboard. When you're done, do the same thing for the groups of 3 black notes. Find all of them up and down the piano. Now in the links below this video, I am going to leave you a few songs that will help you memorize your finger numbers and get you moving around the black keys. In the next lesson, we're going to learn all about the white keys. Now don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel below so you can be the first in the know when a new video comes out. You can also learn more about me at my website, musicmehappy.com. In the meantime, practice hard and I will see you at your next lesson.